Installing the mattress supports is very easy and straightforward. The purpose of the mattress supports is to just provide a flat, even surface for your mattress. We recommend you use 1/4-inch thick plywood or similar. Note that if you are building a single or twin-size Murphy bed, there will be only one mattress support. Slide one mattress support onto the bed frame struts inside of the bed frame. It is recommended that you place pencil marks where your frame struts are to help you when driving the screws to secure the mattress supports to the frame struts. This will avoid missing the frame struts when driving the screws. Use a drywall square or long ruler to help you finishing off marking the mattress support. Now use 1 1/4-inch long wood screws to secure the mattress supports to the bed frame struts and sides. It is not necessary to glue the mattress supports to the bed frame struts. However, you may wish to do so. Drive the screws approximately every 10 to 12 inches. Make sure the screws are flush with the top of the mattress supports. This will avoid interference when you place your mattress onto the bed frame. You have now completed the installation of the mattress support panels on the bed frame.